Stop saying thing. It makes your English sound unclear and basic. Let's fix that in just a few minutes. Hi there, let's level up your English. Lexi 7 by Whizkids. The word thing is very common, but it's too general. If you want to sound more fluent, you need to be specific. Let's look at better words you can use instead.
1. Object. Use this for physical items. What is that thing on the table? What is that object on the table? 2. Item. Use this when talking about one thing in a group. I bought a thing from the store. I bought an item from the store. 3. Device. Use this for machines or technology. This thing is not working. This device is not working. 4. Task. Use this for work or something you need to do. I have many things to finish. I have many tasks to finish. 5. Idea. Use this when talking about thoughts or plans. That's a good thing. That's a good idea. Object. For physical items. Item. When talking about one thing in a group. Device. For machines or technology. Task. For work or something you need to do. Idea. When talking about thoughts or plans. Quick tip. The more specific your words are, the more confident and clear you sound. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I have an important task. This device is very useful. That's an interesting idea. Now your turn. Replace thing in this sentence. I need to buy a thing. Say it with a better word.
Stop using thing. Start speaking clearly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Words the Wizzy way.
Lexi 7 by Whizkids.